Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Eve in your VMware, and to do the configuration I had the FortiGate. So first in this video I am going to show you how to install Eve in your VMware. Okay, first you have to open the browser and go to Eve official website. Eve downloads. Okay, so open the downloads. Now you can download this item, Eve NG Pro OVF. Okay, you have to download this one. It will around 1.5 to 2 GB. You have to download this one. And if you are using the Windows, you have to choose Windows side, client side, some software. This is the essential software. Like if you want to add the file to Eve, you can use this software and some other necessary software like Wireshark, UltraVNC, Putty, all kind of software. Okay, auto detect versions, this one, and just download these two files. Okay, I already downloaded, so we can do. So these are the two files, and this is my Eve. So I'm going to extract this one. Okay, so it's extracting now. So wait for some time, it's extracting. Oops, it's done, almost ready. So it's extracted. Close the window. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so this is the file I just downloaded. Okay, so the next step, you can open the VMware. So I'm going to open my VMware. It's already open here. Okay, let's open my home page. It's my old one. I don't want this anymore, so I'm removing. Okay, now you can go to your home page, create new virtual machine. Typical. Okay, next. No, I'm going to set up O1. No need to create. We can do one thing. We can open virtual machine. Okay, so go to downloads and open the file. So this is the file I just extracted. Okay, open that one and you can give a name. So I'm giving this Eve. Okay, so this is where it is going to store. It's fine. Import. So it's importing the file. Wait for some seconds. Yeah, it's extracted, and so the file is imported now. So just turn on. Okay, I'm making it full screen. So it's getting turned on. Okay, the page is loading. Eve emulated virtual environment next generation. Okay, fine. Okay guys, the page is now boot up. You can give the default username and password here. By default, the username is root and password is Eve. Okay, so bigger. The root by default username, password is Eve, EVE. Press enter. Oops, just a minute. Press enter. EVE. Okay, so it's boot up. Now you can type your new password. I'm giving the password as EVE. Okay, I'm giving password EVE. Press enter. Again, I'm giving the password. Press enter. Okay, just a minute. EVE. Okay, EVE. 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. Okay, so domain name keeping everything is same, DHCP, yes, it's a DHCP. Type the hostname IP address of NTP for initial closing, leave it empty if you don't use it. Okay, I'm leaving it empty, I don't want to use it right now. Sync direct connection, yes, so it's done. So the configuration of Eve is done. Now it's booting up. Wait for some time. Okay guys, it's up now. Now one more thing I want to tell you, in case if it is not getting open, so it was stuck, you have to go to the settings and you have to change this capacity. Okay, hard disk capacity, processor, memory and all. So right now I got the my Eve is ready. I got the IP 10.39.1.32. so let me try it. Okay, open the new tab. 10.39.1.32. so yeah, Eve is coming up. Wait for some time. It could be admin. Okay, by default this password will be admin and the Eve. So once you're done, that's it guys, the file is getting open. Now just like I told you, I will show you how to install that essential software. Eve client WinPack. Okay, this is the one. So open, run. Okay, so it's going to install the basic essential software for this one. So these all are, some of them already available in my PC. So which one is not available, I'm going to download it right now. Okay, accept the agreement. Okay, okay, it should be done. So hope you all understand how to install and run the VM and log in with the browser. So everything seems to be okay. Next video I'm going to show you how to download and add a PC in Eve and configure a basic lab in Eve. Okay, see you guys in next video.